Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Odùdùwà earned the trust of Olófin patakí. When Odùdùwà was about to descend to the earth, Òrúnmìlà advised him to perform Igbo with 2 goats, 4 ase kola, white cloth, aso fun, 4 doves, ayala and 2 white hens, adie meji fun. But Odùdùwà did not make the Ebo, and he descended upon the earth on the back of Olófin. When it rained, the water fell upon him, and the sun scorched him from the dawn. He could not satisfy his hunger. He returned unexpectedly to Duran to see Òrúnmìlà. He asked for permission, although late, to carry out the Igbo that had been prescribed in his first osod, divination. Òrúnmìlà told him, "Now you must perform a double Igbo." Odùdùwà accepted. After doing so, he returned to Ile-Aye, Osalaye, and once again landed on the back of Olófin. At that time, the earth became arid. The rain stopped falling. Pregnant women gave birth prematurely or suffered miscarriages. No fruit in the fields matured. Seeing this series of calamities, Olófin sent for a Babalawo named Gbòrì Jobi Ògùlènú Awo, universal deity of destiny and medicine. He arrived and took the awofaka that Olófin had in his house and performed a tefa, initiation, and osod in Olófin's home. It came out in the sign of Ogbe Yekun. He said to Olófin, "Who is that foreigner you allow to live upon your back? Build him a house and install him properly." The house was built by Odùdùwà himself. When the construction was finished, Ògùlènú said to Olófin, "To maintain this, Odùdùwà must be given 2 goats, plenty of white things, opolopo fun, a basket with 101 igbin, snails, 101 akara, bean cakes, a yinefun, chalked honey, a po, palm oil, and a lot of money, opolopo, owo." All of this was given to Odùdùwà, and from that day on, every time Odùdùwà visited Ile-Aye, the same offering was made. Then the women began to give birth again, the rains returned, the fruits ripened, and tranquility and peace reigned on earth.